Okay, today we're going to go over the calculator functions for a holistic linear regression transformation problem. And we're going to use the COVID-19 data. So I'm going to go to stat and then edit to put the first few pieces of data into the list. Oops. So remember your X values are days, so that goes through 1 through 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then into L2 is the number of reported cases in the US. So that's 9, 38, 15, 472, 6. All right, so the first thing we want to do is to look at what the data actually looks like, and I'm going to turn it to key press history so you guys can see. I'm going to clear that because that's just everything that I typed in. So if we go to second y equals, and we turn plot 1 and 2 on, and L1 and L2 is where our X and Y values are. It's on Scatterplot. So I'm going to hit zoom 9. Always to turn that plot on. So I'm going to hit enter on and then zoom 9. And as you can see, that's pretty exponential looking. It's definitely not linear. So we're going to want to transform that data a little before we continue. So I'm going to go back to my lists, and I'm going to go over to L3 and put my black blinking box over L3. I want to log my Y values. So the Y values are in L2. So I'm going to put second L2. And I'm going to put those into L3, and then I'm going to graph the X values against those log Y values. So I'm going to go back to the plot. I'm going to change that Y list to not just the regular Ys, but the logged Ys. So I'll hit L3 in there and zoom 9. And as you can see, it's a lot more linear looking. We're going